Welcome to our channel. Activating your Comerica rewards card unlocks the ability to earn and use valuable points. Step 1. Locate the activation information that came with your Comerica rewards card in the mail. Step 2. Visit the Comerica Bank website and look for the card activation section under Personal Banking Services. Step 3. Enter your 16-digit card number in the activation field on the website. Step 4. Provide verification details such as the last 4 digits of your Social Security number and your date of birth. Step 5. Create or log into your Comerica online banking account to manage your card and rewards. Step 6. Set up a 4-digit PIN for your card by following the prompts during the activation process. Step 7. Review the rewards program terms to understand how you earn points on purchases. Step 8. Confirm your activation and wait for the success message to appear on screen. Step 9. Sign the back of your card immediately with a permanent marker. Step 10. Start using your Comerica rewards card for purchases to begin accumulating points. Step 11. Log into your online account regularly to check your points balance and available rewards. Step 12. Redeem your points for cashback, gift cards, travel, or merchandise through the rewards portal. Your Comerica rewards card is now active and helping you earn valuable benefits with every purchase. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.